Are you ready to master full-stack Java development? This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential skills, steps to become a full-stack Java developer, and tips to maximize your earning potential. Full-stack Java developers are in high demand due to their ability to handle both server-side and client-side development. They create comprehensive solutions that include databases, backend logic, and front-end interfaces, enhancing user experience and offering valuable guidance to businesses. To excel as a full-stack Java developer, you need proficiency in front-end design, microservices integration, and testing capabilities. Familiarity with tools like Ansible, Docker, and AWS is crucial. Additionally, understanding how to utilize libraries and APIs and being able to work effectively in teams are essential skills. Start by investigating the fundamentals of Java through introductory courses and hands-on practice. Pursue a degree in computer science to further your coding capabilities. Revamp your resume to highlight your full-stack Java development skills. Consider an apprenticeship to gain real-world experience and mentorship. Finally, seek internships or entry-level positions to build your experience in both front-end and back-end development. Full-stack Java developers can earn significant salaries. In India, the median annual salary is Rs. 20,763. Earnings vary based on experience, skills, and employer benefits. Companies often offer incentives, bonuses, and excellent benefit packages, making this a lucrative career choice. To increase your salary, establish a personal website showcasing your work. Build a strong professional network with contractors, fellow developers, and online coding communities. Develop both generalist and specialist skills to handle various full-stack development tasks. Gain experience through freelancing or volunteering to enhance your tech skills and improve salary negotiations. Becoming a full-stack Java developer is a strategic investment in your career. By mastering the necessary skills and following the outlined steps, you can secure a respectable salary and enjoy numerous career opportunities. Continue your education and stay updated with industry trends to excel in this dynamic field.